our Acura TSX. Your battery dies, or you replace your battery, or for some reason you have to find your radio codes and your GPS codes. There's two places to look on these vehicles. Let me show you. Pop the hood. Assistant, come here and lock it up.
Of course, sir.
There we go.
Pronto.
Is you want to look in your fuse box panel. Sometimes there's a little sticker in here that will have it.
Sometimes.
Ours isn't in this one. The other place to check for your radio code and GPS code is going to be on the side of your glove box, and that's where ours are. The 5-digit code is for the radio. The 4-digit code is for the GPS. If your sticker isn't here for your radio code or GPS code, check the fuse box in the engine bay, and if you can't find it, call Acura, give them your VIN number, and they'll give it to you. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and TikTok. We post there as well.